Raw materials enable societies to transition from using fossil fuels to using more cleaner forms of energy, cleaner forms of mobility. The Raw and Circular Economy Expedition, or the RACE, is in essence a learning journey along the entire value chain that takes place over 2 weeks in 4 different countries, hosted by 4 different industrial and municipal showcase partners. And with all of this knowledge, the 70 students participating in the race, they're tasked with developing business solutions, and they're going to pitch this at the end to a jury of mock investors.
Production, manufacturing, use and recycling are important, as well as the other kind of big challenges described in the Sustainable Development Goals.
Starting with the mineral extraction, they have site visits to Outokumpu and they understand the actual extraction of raw materials. Then they move on to the manufacturing phase with Audi.
So we looked at the different ways how Audi is trying to become more sustainable. We also visited the museum, learned a little bit more about their production process.
For the students, it's so important seeing not only Audi, seeing different companies along the whole value chain.
And then they discuss in Rotterdam the reuse phase with more experts. They have more lectures. They do the group work, of course, in parallel with all these stages.
We come from very technical backgrounds and we understand these concepts well, but we don't understand how to implement them on a wider scale.
There is no one solution fits all. It's like many pieces of the puzzle together will form the future of mobility.
I really had the possibility to chat with everyone in this program, and we are in 70 people, so it was like really useful to interact with each other, exchange opinions, but also to tell jokes and have fun with other people.
And that all ends up in final pitch where they visited Umicore.
I'm super excited. I'm actually one of the persons who are going to pitch. It will be really cool to see the effects of our hard work during the last 2 weeks.
What I will bring at home after this race is not if I win or not. The real thing that I will bring at home is the relation that I build here with the other guys and the other people that I met.
If we want to reach these sustainable development goals, we need ideas. Where are these ideas coming from? They're coming from people like us, young people who have innovative solutions.
The race is an opportunity of a lifetime. It's fully covered by the EIT RawMaterials Academy. It's something that you cannot get anywhere else in the world.
It's really a nice environment. I've made a lot of friends who will be with me, I think, for the rest of my life.
Next year, we're going to take the learnings from 2019 and make the race 2020 even better.